How to fix ice material in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, you can see this character's eyes have some issues. So let's fix it. And first, I will delete all of them. And now, I will enter the Mixamo. And because this character is downloaded from Mixamo, and I download it, I download the T-pose. And wait for a second. And I will drag these characters into Unreal Engine 5. And here I will scroll it down. And I need to check this one. I will reset it to default setting. Import material and import textures. Just click import. And yeah, we have successful to import these characters. And I will drag these characters into our scene. And you can see these characters' eyes have some issues. And I will fix it. And I will select these characters. And I find this material instant. And I open it. And here I will change these ones. And yeah, we fix it. That's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.